Now let's take a closer look at categories. To view more data on the categories, first we need to score the categories. So we click the Score button. We see that there are a total of 314 responses, and 35 of those responses are uncategorized, meaning that they do not belong to any of the categories listed here. We see that the category Protein has 14 responses. We can order these from in descending order by clicking on the Docs icon, the Docs heading, and now we have it listed with the Biology being the most populous category with 258 responses, and Position having the fewest, or 2 responses. Okay. We can visualize this category Biology in more detail by clicking the Display button. In the top right panel, we will see that in the Category Bar tab, it lists the frequency of each category within the responses that contain the category Biology. So 5% or 13 of the documents that are in the category Biology also in the category Protein. We can take a look at this as a web, and this web shows the nodes of the web as the size of the nodes represent the frequency of the responses in that category, and the size of the line or thickness of the line connecting two nodes give an idea of how many responses share these two categories. The thicker the line, the more responses that are shared. And finally, we have the category web table, which gives us these number of shared responses in table form. So this category, Biology Genetics RNA, shares 8 responses with Biology Genetics DNA. Okay. And finally, in the lower right column, we can read or view the actual responses. So we can scroll down to view all these responses. Some of the responses are very short, and we can see them in their entirety just in this response display pane. However, other categories are longer, and as we see, they taper off. To view this entire response, we can look in the text preview pane and see the response in its entirety.